Good morning, dear students. In this class, we will solve the exercise 3.2 problems. Yes, children. Now come to exercise problems. Exercise 3.2 is. Now come to the first question. See now what is asking here. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. See children, this pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. See what is asking first one. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Second question. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Third question. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? See here, this is a pie chart. In this pie chart, the 40% are like light music, 30% are like folk music, 20% are like semi-classical, 10% are like classical music. Yes. By using this pie chart, now let us go to answer the following questions. Now come to solution. The first question is what? If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Yes. See children, solution. By the pie chart, the classical music is liked by 10% of the people. 10% represent the 100 and 20% represents 200. See children, because here what is asking, the 20% people liked the classical music, how many young people were surveyed? There are 200 people were surveyed. There are 200 people surveyed. In the pie chart, the 10% are like classical music. By that, only 100 they surveyed. Here now the 20% are asking, because of that reason 20 people were surveyed. The second question is, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Yes. See the pie chart. Yes, all of you have your textbook. In the textbook, see the pie chart. The maximum part is covered by the light music. In a circle, the bigger sector is the light music. So, light music is liked most. Third question. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Yes, among 1000 CDs, each are as follows, like this. Now let us write the first percentage. How much percentage are liked? Light music is liked by 40%. The semi-classical music is liked by 20%. The classical music is liked by 10%. The folk music is liked by 30%. Yes, 40% means 40 by 100. Yes, among 1000 CDs. Now let us divide like this. 2 zeros get cancelled. 40 into 10 become 400. As here 20% means 20 by 100 into 1000. As 2 zeros get cancelled, we get 200. Now 10% means 10 by 100 into 1000. See now 2 zeros get cancelled, here 100. Now 30% means 30 by 100 into 1000. 2 zeros get cancelled, become 300. Now going to total, 400 plus 200, 600. 600 plus 100, 7. 7 plus 300, total 1000. Yes children, among 1000 CDs, each are as follows. Suppose in case a company were to make the 1000 CDs. Yes, among 1000 CDs, the respective like semi-classical, classical and folk CDs are like this. Children, see now second question. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons: rainy, winter and summer. See children, this is a chart. Seasons, the different seasons are given here and number of votes they are given to which is liked most. Yes. Some questions are given here. Which season got the most votes? By seeing this chart, now let us going to answer these questions. And what is asking here in the last question? Draw a pie chart to show this information. Here the chart is given here. This chart is considered to be as a frequency distribution table. By using this frequency distribution table, going to answer these questions and including this draw a pie chart for this information. Yes, now come to the solution for the second question. Yes, by seeing that chart, the first sub question is which season got the most votes? Yes, all of you see children chart, and the most of the votes got by the season winter. Winter is the answer. And second question, find the central angle of each sector. Now let us going to find the central angle for each sector. Yes, here how many is given here? 90%. Summer for 90, rainy for 120, winter season is how much? 150 is 150. Now let us going to find the central angle of each sector. Yes. Now let us go into total. 0, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. Yes, here 6, here 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Here total is how much? 360. Yes, out of 360, how much is summer? 90. Yes, 90 by 360. This is a fraction. And central angle, let us convert it into central angle. 90 by 360 into 360. We know that children, the central angle of a circle is 360. This 360 is a total of the votes. But this 360 represent central angle of a circle. 360, 360 get cancelled here. The answer is 90 degree. Yes, the rainy season, out of 360, the rainy season got how much votes? 120 into 360. 360, 360 get cancelled. S is equal to 120. Now, 150 by 360 into 360 degree. 360, this 360 get cancelled here. The central angle is of winter season is 150 degree. Listen children. Yes, summer got 90, rainy season got 120, winter season got 150 votes. The total votes of these are 360. Yes. Now let us going to find the central angle like this. Yes, out of 360, 90 are summer into 360. Like this, we get the sector angles here. And now let us go to draw a pie chart by using this central angle. See here. Yes, now let us go to draw a pie chart. Before going to draw a pie chart, the first step is draw a circle with a convenient radius and mark radius OA. And the first summer season got the central angle how much? 90 degree. So, all of you put your protractor on the line radius like this and mark 90 degree here. 90 degree here. Remove this protractor by using the scale and take the 90 degree like this. Draw a line up to the circumference of a circle. Okay. Yes, this is how much? 90 degree. This indicates which season? Yes, summer season. The sector indicates summer season. Yes, now come to the second sector angle. Yes, the second sector angle is rainy season. The rainy season got the central angle is how much? 120 degree. All of you put your protractor on the line OB. You name this as OB. On the line radius OB like this and like this. And mark 120 degree. You count from here, children. You count from here is 0 to 90. Here from 90. After the 90 degree is 100, 120. And mark 120 degree like this and remove your protractor and take the 90 degree 120 degree measurement like this, but don't join that point. You have to take the measurement 120 degree by connecting the point and central angle like this, and you draw a line up to the circumference of a circle like this and named this as C. This as C. It is how much? Is 120 degree. This 120 degree indicates which reason? Is rainy season. It indicates rainy season. Yes, the last is how much? Is it get 150 degree. Is this indicates which season? It indicates winter season. Winter season. Yes, in this way we have to draw a pie chart by using the frequency distribution table. Yes, children, now come to third question of your exercise. Yes, third question is like this. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the color preferred by a group of people. See, children, this is the information of the data. Color, the different colors are given here and the number of people who liked here, who liked the respected color. And now let us going to draw a pie chart by using this information, and it give here one information. Find the proportion of each sector. For example, blue 18 by 36. Yes, the total number of people here 36. Out of 36, 18 are like blue. Yes, we get a fraction 1 by 2. The green is 1 by 4. Like this, we have to finding the first fraction of these and then finding the central angle of the circle. After we will go to draw the pie chart. Okay, children. See now here. Yes, this is a table of finding the central angle. This is a table of finding the central angle. The first column is color, second is number of people, third is in fraction, fourth column is central angle. Yes, see children, in fraction is total number of people here 36. Out of 36, 18 are like blue color. Yes, we get a fraction 1 by 2. Like this, the green fraction likes 1 by 4, the red get the fraction 1 by 6, yellow get the fraction 1 by 12. Now let us going to find the central angle of these fraction. Yes, 1 by 2 of 360 we get 180 degree is a central angle of the blue color, and 1 by 4 into 360 degree we get 90 degree is a central angle of green. Yes, now let us calculate the red. 1 by 6 into 360. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 60 degree. Yes, we get a central angle of the red is 60 degree. Now 1 by 12 into 360 degree. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. Yes, we get a central angle how much degree? 30 degree. Now let us going to total this. We get 360 degree. We get 360 degree. Now let us going to draw a pie chart. See children, yes, pie chart is, first step is draw a circle with a convenient radius and mark as OA. Mark as OA. And now let us take the protractor. By using the protractor, now going to mark the respected color sector. Yes, first is how much? 180 degree. Now let us go to mark 180 degree by using the protractor. Yes, remove your protractor. Yes, take the measurement of 180 degree like this and don't connect this. This is named as OB and mark like this 180 degree. This indicates which color? Yes, blue color. Next is how much degree? Yes, 90 degree. Yes, all of you see now. Look at carefully. You put the protractor on the line OB like this and mark 90 degree. Mark 90 degree. You count from here. Look at children carefully. You count from here 0 to 90 like this. The 90 measurement comes here. Put the point and remove your protractor. Yes, take the measurement 90 degree like this. 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. This 90 degree sector indicates which color? Green. It indicates green. The next is red color. Red color is how much degree? 60 degree. See children here. Put your protractor on the line. Yes. On the line OC. You first mark your OC. Put your protractor on the line OC like this. On the line OC. And measure 60 degree. Yes, 40, 50, 60. Yes, 60 degrees comes here. By using the scale, takes the measurement of 60 degree. 60 degree like this. Yes, it indicates which color? 60 degree. It indicates red color. Red color. Yes, remaining is how much degree? Remaining is 30 degree. This indicates which color? Yellow color. Named as D. This indicates yellow. This line is named as OD. And that sector indicates yellow. Yes, this half of the circle indicates blue. The 1/4 circle indicates green. Yes, the remaining 1/4 circle is represented by the two colors. One is red color, another one is yellow color. Like this children, we have to draw a pie chart. Children, now come to fourth question of this exercise. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. Here some questions are given here and give a pie chart. By using this pie chart, now let us going to answer these questions. Children, up to now we are by using the raw data, we are making another one table, that is a central angle table. But after we have to draw a pie chart by using that table. But children, here the pie chart is given. The pie chart is given in terms of the angle. In terms of angle is given here also. So by using this information, now let us go to make a table of the marks of the student. Table that contain marks of the students. After we will answer to this question. Okay children. See now here, by using that pie chart, now make the table like this. The subject or the respective subject are Mathematics, Social Science, Science, Hindi, English, and the central angles. The each subject, each sector of the respected subject having the central angle measurement like this. Mathematics is having 90 degree, Social Science is having 65 degree, Science is having 80, Hindi is 70, English is 55 degree. Like this. And now let us going to find the marks. It takes the sector 90 degree. Yes children, among 360 degree, 90 degree takes Mathematics, 90 degree takes Mathematics. Yes, and the total marks obtained by a student, the total marks of the obtained by student is 540. Yes, out of 360, mathematics take 90 degree and it is multiplied into the marks, total marks, what he got, 540. Yes, cancel each other, we get the marks 135 degree. He scored 135 marks in mathematics. And next, out of 360, 65 degree takes social science, as is multiplied into the total marks. After the simplification, we get marks 97.5. Yes, here out of 360, 80 degree is science, is multiplied into the total marks, we get 120 degree. 120 degree is a marks of science. Yes, in the same way, Hindi and English we get 105 and 82.5 respectively. Yes, now using this table, going to answer the following questions. Yes, see children, all of you see your textbook. The first question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Yes, look at this table. Which subject is get 105 marks? Is Hindi. Yes, our answer is the student scored 105 marks in Hindi. Second question is, how many more marks were obtained by the students in mathematics than in Hindi? Yes. Now let's observe the mathematics marks and Hindi marks. Mathematics is 135, Hindi is 105. Yes. Answer for the second question is, mathematics is 135 marks, Hindi is 105 marks. So, how many is of difference from 105 to 135? Yes, 30 marks is a difference. So, 30 marks is more in mathematics than Hindi. Yes, third question is, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. Yes, now let us going to find the first sum of the social science and mathematics by using that table. Social science is of 97.5 marks plus mathematics get 135. Add together both, we get 232.5 marks. And the sum of science and Hindi. In science marks is 120 degree, Hindi marks is 105. Add together both, we get 225. Compare these two, which is more? Yes, the sum of social science and mathematics is more. Like this children, we have to make the first marks table for these type of questions. Children, now come to fifth question. What is asking in your fifth question? The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Here the data is given here. The raw data is converted into frequency distribution table. By using this table, going to draw a pie chart. Okay children, now come to the solution. Yes, by using that frequency distribution table, now let us going to make here central angle tendency table. See children, here the languages and number of students are given here. Now let us read, this is the third column is a fraction column. The total number of students here 72. Out of 72 students, Hindi, the language spoken by the students, Hindi, is how much? 40. Out of 40, out of 72, 40 or speak Hindi, we get a fraction 5/9. Like this, we get the fractions of the respected languages and draw, and we have to finding the central angle. 5/9 into 360 degree, we get 200 degree. 1/6 into 360 degree, we get 60 degree. 1 by 8 into 360, we get 45 degree. Like this, we get the respected central angles of different languages. The total, we get a total here 360. By using this table, now let us go to draw a pie chart. Yes, in the pie chart, the first step is draw a circle with a convenient radius. Yes, look at this table. Hindi language get how much degree sector? 200 degree sector. Yes, now let us mark first 200 degree by using the protractor. Put the protractor on the line OA like this and mark 200 degree. Yes, 90 is here. After the 90, 100, 110, 120. Up to how much we have to calculate here? 200. Yes, in this protractor, we have to mark only the 180 degree. Yes, children? Yes, 180 degree. Yes, do one thing here. First, we have to mark 120 degree. Now, let us going to mark from the Bengali language. Okay, the first is, the last of the first is how much degree? 20 degree. Yes, now let us go to mark first 20 degree like this. Yes, 20 degree like this. Remove your compass, protractor, and measure the 120 degree by using that point and join the line and named this as B. This part indicates which language? This sector, Bengali. Yes. Next is, the next degree is how much? 35 degree. Yes, by using the protractor. Put your protractor on the line OB like this and measure 35 degree. 10, 20, 30, 35. Yes, mark 35 degree. Named as C. Tamil. This sector indicates which language? Tamil. Yes. The next degree is how much? 45 degree. Put your protractor on the line OC like this. 45 degree. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40. After 45. Yes. Mark here 45 degree like this and named this as D. This sector indicates which language? Marathi. And next is English. Put your protractor on the line OC. And mark 60 degree. Yes. Count now from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 degree. Yes. Named this as E. A, B, C, D, E. This sector indicates which language? English. Yes. Out of 360, we have to mark the language here: Bengali, Tamil, Marathi, English. The remaining part of the circle is indicates 200 degree. Is indicate how much degree? 200 degree. This indicates which language? Hindi. This indicates the language Hindi. Yes, this is a pie chart of the given information. Children, Up to now, we are discussing about drawing a pie chart, how to draw a pie chart and exercise 3.2 questions. I hope that all of you understood very well. We will discuss the remaining part of this chapter in your next class. Thank you.